Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate iOS code signing with certificates in Xcode step by step clearly. To activate iOS code signing with certificates in Xcode, begin by opening Xcode on your Mac. From the main menu, click on Xcode in the top left corner. Select Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the Preferences window, navigate to the Accounts tab located on the left side. If you haven't already added your Apple ID, click on the plus button in the lower left corner. Choose Apple ID from the options and enter your credentials to sign in. Once signed in, select your Apple ID from the accounts list. Under your Apple ID, click on Manage Certificates. Here, you will see options to create both development and distribution certificates. To create a development certificate, click the plus button at the bottom left corner. Select iOS Development from the options. Xcode will automatically generate a certificate signing request and create the certificate. If you need a distribution certificate, repeat the process but choose Apple Distribution instead. Once the certificate is created, it should appear in your list. Now, open your project in Xcode. In the Project Navigator, click on your project at the top. Select the Signing and Capabilities tab. Under the Signing section, ensure that Automatically Manage Signing is checked. Choose your appropriate team from the drop-down menu. If you prefer to manually manage your signing, uncheck the Automatic option. In the Signing Certificate drop-down, select the certificate you just created. Xcode will verify the validity of your certificate. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a green check mark indicating success. Finally, build your project to ensure that code signing is properly configured. By following these steps, you have successfully activated iOS code signing with certificates in Xcode. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.